A very good morning to all of you. Students, we are going to start a very interesting topic, that is round of numbers. In our daily life, we come across many situations where we don't know the exact answer of some quantity. And in that case, we give the answer in a rounding off form, whether to nearest tens, 100,000. So students, today we will do rounding of a number. But today we will start how to round off the number to nearest tens. In the previous classes you have done nearest tens on a number line. But today I tell you the different method how to do the rounding of a numbers to nearest tens. So let's start with the example. Now see, this is the example that is written 52. If I want to round off this number, how I will round off? To nearest tens, firstly understand the thing from the question only. Nearest tens means you have to round off the tens place. So you have to write firstly ones tens on a number as I have written. 52 is written on the number I have written firstly. Nearest tens means you have to round off tens place, and for the tens place you have to see its ones place, mean the number just before the tens place, that is written 2. You have to compare this 2 with 5. Always you have to compare the digit with 5. If your number is 2, if your number is greater than 5, then you have to add 1 on a 10. If your number is less than 5, like here your number is 2, is less than 5. Clear? So in this case you will not plus 1 on 10. So this tens place number will come as it is, means 5 will come as it is, and the ones place number which you are comparing, that will become 0. Clear? Let's understand one more example. 35. Again take a 35. Again on a number you write ones and tens as I told you, as in the first question you done. Now compare which place number? Ones place number, that is 5. As I told you, if your number is less than 5, then you will not do anything on tens. If your number is 5 or greater than 5, in that case you have to add 1 on tens place. I am adding 1 on tens place. 3 plus 1 is 4. And after tens place, the number which you are comparing, means one place number, you have to make 0. So this is your answer. Clear? Let's understand one more example. 97. 97 on the number, write down ones tens. Compare the 7 with 5. We are comparing ones place digit with 5 only. Which number is bigger? Your number is bigger. Your number is 7. It is greater than 5. What do? When your number is equals to 5 and greater than 5, you have to add 1 on tens place. So 9 plus 1 is 10. And your tens place number, your ones place number will become 0. Clear? Now, fifth part. 1 to 4 written. 1 to 4 means you have to write ones, tens, 100 on a number. Now you have to compare which place. You are doing nearest tens only, so it means you have to compare ones place number, that is 4, with 5. Your number is greater? No. So this 2 will remain as it is. So 1, 2 will come as it is, and after tens place number becomes 0. Clear? Now 986, which number you have to compare? Ones place number, that is 6. Your number is greater than 5, so what do? This 8 becomes 9. So answer comes 990. Clear? Now student, on the behalf of that, we do activity 7, question number 1. Round off to nearest tens. Number is written 57. You have to do in the copy only. First of all you write solution, then you write 57, then you write ones and tens on a number. Now which number you have to compare? Ones place number. You have to underline that place, ones place number. Compare it. Compare this number with 5. So 7 you compare with 5. Your number is greater. When your number is greater, you have to do what? You have to add 1 on nearest tens return. So it means tens place number you have to add 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6 and underlined digit becomes 0. So this is the answer. Clear? We do B part. Solution you write. Then you write ones, tens. Down of it write down 93. Underline the ones place. Compare ones place with 5. When you compare, your number is greater? No. So tens place number will come as it is. And underline digit become 0. Again and do C part. 2, 9, 1. Above the number write down ones, tens, 100. Now compare which place number? Ones place. With 5. Which number is greater? Your number is greater? No. So tens place number will remain as it is and after underline digit becomes 0. And before tens place number, what it will come? That number will remain as it is. We will not change the number before tens, but the underline digit will change. Clear? Now D part. It's written 3, 7, 5. Write down ones, tens, 100. Clear? Now what you have to do? You have to compare the underline digit. That is 5. 5 you have to compare with 5 only. Which are your number is less than 5? No, it is equal. So what do? You have to plus 1 on tens place because you are doing nearest tens. So 100 place number will come as it is. 7 plus 1 is 8 and underline digit becomes 0. This is the answer. Now E part. 5, 8, 8. Ones, tens, 100. Now 8 you have to compare with 5. Your digit is greater. So what do? You will add 1 on tens place. So 5 will come as it is. 8 plus 1 is 9 and 8 underline digit becomes 0. So your answer is 590. Clear? Again understand F part. First of all, you write 7, 7, 4. Write down ones, tens, 100. Now compare which place? Ones place with 5. Your digit is greater? No. If it is not greater, you will not plus 1 on tens place. So all the digit will come as it is, but ones place underline digit becomes 0. Because in rounding off, the numbers after the tens place that will become 0 and before the tens place the number remains same. Now G part. 8, 1, 9. Above the number write down ones, tens, 100. Now which place you have to see? Ones place. Compare with 5. Your number is greater, so what do? You will add 1 on tens place. So 8 will come as it is, which is on 100 place, and tens place number become 1 plus 1 is 2. And this 9, which is a underline digit on at ones place, will become 0. So this is the answer. Clear? Now we do H part. In H part also we do same thing. Write down 9, 8, 3. Write down ones, tens, 100. Compare which place? Ones place with 5. Your digit is greater? No. So you will not add 1 on tens place. So it will come as it is and ones place number become 0. Clear? Now students, we do I part. In I part, firstly we write 1, 7, 3, 3. And above the number what we write? Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So which place we have to see? Tens place, and for that which place we have to compare? Ones place. So 3 compare with 5. Is your number is greater? No. So underline digit becomes 0, and we will not add 1 on tens place. So this is your answer. Clear? Now we do J part. Firstly we write 3, 5, 8, 7, 6, and above the number what we write? Ones, tens. After tens what come? 100, then come 1000, and then come 10,000. Which number we have to compare? Tens place. And which number we have to see? Ones place. So we compare 6 with 5. My number is greater. So what we do? I add 1 on tens place. So my answer will be 3, 5, 8. Now see on tens place there is written 7. 7, and with that what I add? Plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. And underline digit becomes 0. Clear? So I hope you understand how to round off the numbers to nearest tens. And I told you in our life also rounding off play a very important role, because whenever we don't know the exact answer of any question, then we do round off. So student, today you learn how to round off the numbers to nearest tens. In nearest tens you have to see the ones place and compares the ones place with the 5. If the ones place number is less than 5, then you will not add 1 on tens place. But if it is 5 or greater than 5, then you have to plus 1 on tens place, and the ones place number becomes 0. So I hope you understand today's lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.